This is the Genesis GV80. Available on select GV80 models, Ergo Motion Seat provides a host of seating support and comfort features for the driver. Comfortable Stretch allows on-demand massage functionality for the driver or front passenger at the touch of a button. Here you can set the intensity level and duration of the Comfortable Stretch massage function. To activate the Comfortable Stretch function, press this button and Comfortable Stretch will cycle through different modes or can be turned off. To adjust Ergo Motion Seat functions, press Setup, Vehicle, Seat, and then Ergo Motion Seat. From here, you can set driver or front passenger Ergo Motion Seat settings independently. Press this checkbox to turn on or off Smart Posture Assist. After driving for approximately 1 hour, Smart Posture Assist automatically adjusts the cushion and back portion of the front seats for comfort relief. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.